Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you my live forex trading on GBP USD which I have taken today on 7th April, Thursday. If you are new to channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the like button which will help channel to grow and I can give you valuable information in forex trading. So let's begin. Here I have taken trade already and I have taken buy trade as you all can see, and I am scalping this trade using 5-minute chart. The colored boxes you see here are Asia, London and US session. Now I am trading in London session. The trading in this session will give fast moves, especially London and US session. From the Asian session range shaded in the brown, the market pulled back and rolled over downside while entering into the London session. Since higher time frame suggesting bearish conditions, because I am scalping, I will catch the small moves. The market is in move to stop hunt the traders who shorted before the London. You all can see how aggressively market had come down. So here after the downward movement at the round numbers, I saw a shortened W pattern here which I missed when I saw the chart. The market already broke the W pattern and now the market was at the round numbers 00. I trade only at the round numbers 00 and 50s as most of the trades come from these levels, and I trade in these sessions only. Patience is very important here. Waiting for my best trade setup where I can size on the trade. Market was working downwards to continue the downtrend at the round numbers, but I saw here a pin hammer at the 00 level. I entered the trade with this confirmation, which another candle drag my entry as late entry, but it's okay. I was sure about this trade. I had minimum target here at this level. Somebody who have shorted the trade might have put stop loss orders there or have moved stop loss to break even. So market might go there to get the money. Therefore my target was at that level. Now my stop loss will be here near the pin bar or below it, because if I am wrong then I have to manage my risk too. Now let us leave on the market to do the rest of the work. Okay, here market has hit my take profit It was well set up trade and was quick movement. As I said, trading in these sessions mostly will give fast moves and mostly are stop-ons or continuation of the trend. I only trade in these sessions and from the next numbers. The next targets are maybe here or next target will be here. It depends on how market behaves at these levels. It has already peak formation high and market may or not go high and it's already had impulse move downwards. Hope hope you enjoyed the video and got some valuable information. So see you until another video. Until then, keep trading. Thank you.